Hello guys, what is percentage? Why it is important to clear every exam? It is the base of every topic. Let's understand the percentage. My name is Shubham and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will clear your all concepts related to percentage through this video, basically the basics concepts which is help you to understand the whole topic of percentage. It doesn't matter whatever your class is in now. You are 10th class, you are 12th class, you are preparing for SSC, etc. But you have to understand the basic concept of percentage is the base of arithmetic. You have to understand the whole procedure. Without it you cannot complete the arithmetic. Okay, it is the base. So what do you mean by percentage? You have to understand the fractions values, those values which are not divisible completely, known as fraction values, like 5 upon 2. If we divide 5 by 2, it comes 2.5, means it's 2.5, means it's a point value, it's not completely divisible. Understand what I'm trying to say, you guys? It's if 5 divided by 2, it comes 2.5. Understand, these values are fraction values which are in the form of upon, like 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, like this, 5 upon 2, 7 by 3, 11 by 3, which is not completely divisible. Understand the fraction values. The base of this percentage is based base of this percentage is totally based on the fractions values. If you understand the fractions values, you can complete the percentage. Okay guys. Mm. Now our topic is percentage. Let's start understand some concepts. 100 percentage. You have to understand the how we convert the percentage value into a fraction value. If the value come in the form of percentage, divide by 100 is comes the fractions value. Like we given an example. Okay. This is presently 100%. 100% fraction value is 1. Why? Because 100 is divided by 100. It comes 1 fraction value. Okay. Like 75% divided by 100. It comes 3 by 4. It's a fraction value. Understand guys? Like you have to read this table. 1 equal to 100%. 50% divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 2. 33.33% divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 3 fraction value. 25% divided by 100. 25% divided by 100. It comes 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay guys. Like 1 by 5, 20% is equal to 1 by 5, 16.66% is equal to 1 by 6. Guys, you have to read it, understand it, which is help to table, which with this table you can understand the basic phenomena. If the value is in the form of percentage, you can convert in the fraction values, divide by 100. Like 25%, if the value in the form of percentage, you simply divide 100, it comes a fraction value. If a value in the form of fraction value, you can simply multiply 100, it comes a percentage value. Understand guys? If the value is in the fraction form, you can simply multiply by 100, it comes a percentage value. If a percentage value multiplied divide by 100, it comes a fraction value. In this video I will explain some questions which are very important, like 37.5%. Why I write to 3 by 8? I simply write 3 by 8, don't divide 100. Like I explain you that 12.5 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5%. It comes at 37.5%. 12.5% multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. It comes 37.5%. Means it's 3 by 8. And I told you 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5. So it's basically 1 by 8. This is the value. Okay guys. Like 62.5%. Why 62.5? Like 12.5, I told you earlier that 12.5 is equal to 1 by 8. Simply 62.5% multiply by 5, multiply by 5, it gave us this value. Okay guys, understand what I'm trying to say you. Convert this fractions value. You can divide it in the form of this. Like 157 1 by 7% is equal to the fractions value. We can break this 100%, 50% plus 7, 1 by 7%. 100% divided by 100, it comes 1. It comes 1. If 50% divided by 100, it comes 1 by 2. It's 7. 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 14. I told you earlier. You can refer the table. Okay guys. And how we take the LCM. Don't take LCM. Just common base. Okay. 1 multiplied by 14. Like 1 multiplied by 14 upon 14 plus 1 into 7 upon 2 into 7 plus 1 by 14. Understand guys? Base is 14. If base is 14, then 14 plus 7, 21 or 22. 22 divided by 40, you can simplify 1 8 by 14 4 7. The answer is 4 by 7. Understand guys? Like 516 2 by 3% is equal to 500% plus 16 2 by 3%. We can break it. 5% 500% divided by 100 is equal to 5. 16.2 by 3%. I will show you earlier. 1 by 6. We can clear the same base. Multiply 5 6 and upon 6 6 base and 35 by 6 answer. Yeah, this question is very important guys. If 37 1 by 2% of a number is subtracted from itself, then the result becomes 1265. Find out the original number. Guys, I can explain you. 37 by 1 by 2% is equal to 3 by 8. Okay guys, 3 by 8. If a number is subtracted from itself, like 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, and the result becomes 1265. Okay guys, 1265. We clearly cut it. Okay. If we 1 equal to 253, find out the original number. 8 multiplied by 253. This gives us the answer 2024 is the answer. Guys, understand what I'm trying to say you. If 557 1 by 7% of a number is added to itself, then the result becomes 23. It's also the same question, like 557 1 by 7%. Break it in the form of like guys, this is a technical issue. Yeah, 500 percentage plus 50 percentage plus 7 1 by 7% divide by 100 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 14. Please same, we have to equal the same ways. Divide by 14, multiply by 14. 7 So the value comes is 70 plus 77 plus 1 upon 14, which is equal to 78.14. So you can 39 upon 7. If a number is added to itself, then the result becomes 23. 7 plus 39 is equal to 46. 46 is equal to 23. And the 1 is equal to 1 by 2. And the original number 39 upon 7, 1 by 2 is equal to 3.5. This is the answer. Understand, guys? It's the same question. You can do it, guys. It's the same question. Like 4 by 9, this is a percentage value converted in the fraction value. Fraction value is 4 by 9. If a number added to itself, like 4 by 9 plus 13 is equal to 650. It's 50. Find the ordinal number. 7 multiplied by 50 is equal to 450. This is the answer, guys. Okay, guys, like this is a very important question, guys. The length of a rectangle is increased by 37.5% and the breadth is increased by 20%. Let's find the percentage change in the area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Rectangle is the length into breadth. This is a rectangle. Breadth, length, area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, guys, so the length of a rectangle is increased by 37.5%. Convert in the fractions value. Okay, this is the fraction value. Okay, and the breadth is decreased by 20%. This is the fraction value of a breadth. Now area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, guys, now length is increased by itself. Okay, so 3 into 3 and 5 increase minus 1, 14, and the area is 40 and this area is 44. How much is increase? 4. Okay, guys, 4 upon base 40 multiplied by 100 is equal to 10 10% increment. This is the answer, guys. If you like the video, guys, I'm just trying to help you. I'm just trying to solve you the basic concepts, guys. Please understand what I'm trying to say you. If you watch it, prepare properly, so you can clear every exam, every topic. Please refer R.S. Agrawal. After watching this video, starting 5 to 6 question, you can completely done it. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share. Thank you very much, guys. Please